Hello guys, welcome to one more video of Box Info. Today I am going to show you how to install a surveillance hard disk in a CCTV DVR. So this video is about the installation of the hard disk in DVR. Today I am shooting at my house, sorry for that one if you are hearing some noise around here. So this is a very simple DVR. It is an analog HD DVR. It has around 8 channels and one audio output. So this is a very basic DVR, what we are using in a surveillance system right now today. So this DVR doesn't come with the hard disk inside or any memory inbuilt here. So we need to put a hard drive in here so the CCTV can record the data inside here. So it's a very simple process. I'm going to show you step by step how to install a surveillance hard disk in this one. So here we have a surveillance hard disk. Yes, we have to use surveillance grade hard disk for the CCTV purpose. So this is a fairly simple surveillance hard disk. I'm going to install this one. So we get these two cables in the package here. This is a SATA cable to connect the hard disk to the DVR, and this is a power cable. So we get this in the package, and we also get a 4 mounting screw for the hard disk. So here we have 4 mounting screws. Okay, so these are the things which we get in the package here. So let's install the hard drive. For this you need just a screwdriver set. So let me keep this aside for a time now. So at the back side of the DVR we have 4 screws here. We just need to open these screws. For that I will use this screwdriver. Let me take a screwdriver bit here. So we just need to remove these 4 screws here. Now we just need to push it gently here. Let me keep this aside now. So here you can see this is the motherboard of the DVR. This is the power output which we need to connect for the hard disk, and this is the SATA connection for the hard disk to connect. So this is a basic DVR which we get in every CCTV camera nowadays. The installation of the hard disk in every DVR is same. So we just need to connect these 2 pins for that one. So these are the 2 pins we need to connect here. So the process is same. DVR might be different. If you are using a NVR, the process will be changed, but same, we need to install the hard disk here in the same manner. So this is our hard disk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this on the mounting here. So we have here 4 mounting which we are going to use some screw to and mount it. Before mounting the hard disk, make sure you connect the cables properly, because when it is on the bottom of the plate here, there is not much space to connect the pins properly. If you push a little hard, then you might break some pins here. So be careful with that one, and don't shake the hard drive so much that it might be crashed in some manner. So try not to shake the hard drive and just connect this with simple. Here you can see we have this arrow here. We just need to align with this properly. So I will show you how to align that one. Just a little gentle push. Okay, you don't need to apply much pressure on that one. So this is our SATA cable. Same here, we just need to align the pin properly. Here you can see. So we just need to align the pin here. So that's the click here. Now we will mount the hard drive on the DVR. For that we need some screws here, which we have here. So these are the 4 screws provided by the DVR inside in the package. The mounting process is very simple. You just need to flip the DVR here and just align these 4 screws. These are the 4 screws here provided by the manufacturer. So we just need to align this one here. Okay, this is the screw. So we just need to take this. This is, you can properly mount here, but there is one more method where you can attach it here. So we just need to take the hard drive. So don't tight that here you can see I have lifted a little bit here. Okay, so what we are going to do is now just hold your DVR like this and align the screws here. So this, if you can see here, just lock it here, hold it like this, and so we are done with the mounting here. So it is secure now. It's not going to lose any screw here. So you just need to connect this pin now. So here you can see these are 4 pins for the power. Here is the power pin here. So we just need to align this one, and so keep in mind you have to push very gently here. If you push hard, then the pin might break here. So once the pin is broken, then it's very hard to repair. So you just need to be very gentle with the pin like this. Just push like this. It's a very smooth. And the same with the SATA cable. So you just need to connect very gently here. Just align this pin. Okay, here you can see you just need to align the pin properly. Okay, I will just keep the DVR here. So we are going to align it. So complete. So we are going to mount this one. Now we'll close this lid here. Here you can see the grooves. We just need to align that grooves here. Done. So now we'll tighten the screws here. So it's now ready to install. The hard disk is installed now. So this was a short video of how to install the hard drive in the CCTV DVR. If you like this video, do subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.